His wing is about to fall off. Oh, he's spitting flames! That's kind of sick. Rap. Oh, my clutch is definitely going. GTR is just big dicking it, I can't lie. Right, hello, welcome back to another video. I'm a little bit ill, so ignore the congestion and bunged up voice, but yeah, just want to come say hi. Quick video of me at Castle Combe, driving in circles. It's a lot of fun, but make sure you stay to the end because I've got an announcement. This track time was a bit of preparation for something I've got planned coming up at the end of April. So yeah, make sure you stick around to find out what that is. Yeah, enjoy the video and I'll see you at the end. Right, so we are currently on the way to Castle Combe. I was having a slight incident where I may or may not have forgotten the tickets and had to turn around. Will and Jan from IPC are already ahead of us, so we're playing a bit of catch up. But yeah, going there, it's for Jacksonville or something like that. We're doing a bit of track time, so it's Scirocco's first time on the track, kind of. Technically not, but we're going to pretend it is. And yeah, we will catch up with you when we catch up with IPC. Oh, look at it. Oh, you Hello.
Please tell me you're making it on track.
I'm just driving into the pit lane. Yeah, hold up. You'll see me in a second.
We were worried you weren't going to be with you.
No, I wouldn't let that happen.
I don't know how we did that once to catch up with you.
No, I'm behind the Clio, yeah?
Cheers.
Oh, are you going next to us?
No, I've got to go behind the blue Clio.
Oh, no. That's annoying. I don't know how we're going to catch you. There's so many cars. How many people are there between us?
I don't know, I can't see. So what music have you guys queued up?
Me too.
I was trying to get Life is a Highway, but it wasn't loading.
I need a wee. Everybody pause.
You didn't bring a GoPro. I didn't realise there was no filming.
I think if you do it semi-sneakily, you'll get away with it. Benny filmed some clips last time on his phone.
Onto the dash.
Yeah. We're absolutely on one! Oh my god! Ah! Chicanes, oh my god! Ah! Ah!
No.
There you go, look on your left. There's your competition.
Oh, fuck me. What? No, that does look scary.
Oh, great heavens!
Oh, are they doing
Taxi laps.
Yeah, Combe taxi. They did send the Castle Combe van up there, didn't they?
Oh, my suction cup has just fallen.
Is that your GoPro?
Yeah.
Put in the pitch!
3 or 4?
Right, we'll just go slow, Castle Chatter?
I'm in the pits, hold up.
See you.
Right. Go. Yeah. Okay. Right, we've got about 15 minutes. Just got to not crash. That is the goal. chicane here. Just gonna leave it in third. Take it tight, real tight, go wide. I'm hungry. Oh, that's Louis' water bottle. Brake hard, drop down into third. Coming round. Oh, this is just a fuckery. I mean, fuck me. That thing's cooking. Come in there a little bit hot. Oh, my clutch is definitely going. Into a braking zone, so we're not going to send it yet. Okay, he just chopped me on a corner. Didn't think that was allowed. GTR is just big dicking it, I can't lie. You need to move. I can't overtake here. Like, what am I meant to do? Right, here we go, here we go, here we go. On the inside. Go, go, go. Chop here. Come back in left. Into fifth. Hard on the brakes on the up. Drop it into third, coming nice and tight. Okay, man. We'll leave it in third here. Brake in. Brake straight, turn left, floor it out. Need to get past this car, really. Sending it so hard. I need to be a bit more aggressive, I think, here. Hard on the brakes. Really tight here. Open it up, wide around, gassing on. Drop it down into third again for the chicane. Come in here. Ease off, hard on the brakes, down a third, roll through, slowly gas on, and into chicane thing is about to fall off. Oh, he's spitting flames! That's kind of sick. Rap, 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 rap. After this chicane, you can have all the smoke. Those flames are actually sick. The flames are cool, sir. Oh, good luck to get pretty good. Race smart, have fun, don't crash. Tough work, you know? Especially when these big scary boys are coming up behind me full fucking speed. Let them pass. I don't want that smoke, I'll be honest. Love the tyre squeal. Luckily I have brand new tyres on this. Ooh, nearly went off. It's a little bit late on the brakes there. That's fine, we survived. Just need to remember, I'm not a professional, so yeah, maybe take it a little bit easier. Coming in here. Remember, I never know what power people are running here. It could be fucking anything. So this GTI that's currently catching up behind me could be mega power. Stay away from the grass, Chaz. Point holding someone else up on the track, ruin their fun. Oh, and that is the checkered flag. And that's going to be the safety car for the guy that binned it. That was a fun little track session. It's a shame I lost Will. But honestly, with like double my, not double, he's got like 100 brake more than me in that fucking machine. I'm like not surprised. Did my best, we overtook some people, we let a few by. I don't think I needed to let the GTI by. But I didn't realise it was last lap and I thought I'd just let him go. He can fucking speed and do whatever he wants. And yeah. Yeah. Good session, good fun, would do again. My clutch is yes. Actually, it's not that bad. I went iffy like once. And apart from that, it's been pretty fine. Sir, how was that for you?
What was that, sorry?
How was the track for you?
Sick, yeah, it's actually really good fun.
How was Williams driving?
It was good, yeah.
Looked dialed?
I mean, considering that thing's not set up for track, it actually does do all right.
How was it for you? How did you find the track? It's good fun, isn't it?
It was good fun, yeah. We went out and started chopping things. We started getting a little bit aggressive.
Yeah. I very much tried to keep up and couldn't. I lost them like one lap in, I think. But chopped some things, let some things pass. Excuse you? Blow on this for me. Yeah, no, it was good. Now we're just having some chilled out sexy vibes, looking at some drift cars, and we're gonna get some food. So, insert cinematics now. Right, yeah, there are no cinematics. I did film some clips of other people on the track and some of the drift stuff, but honestly the video I felt was long enough as it is, so I thought I'd not bother with that. If you've made it this far, great, thank you, I really appreciate it. Please drop a like, comment, subscribe, that kind of stuff. And now for the big announcement that I mentioned at the start, I'm off to Germany for a bit. A week out in Germany to drive some tracks, which will be a lot of fun with a lot of cool people. Before you ask, yes, Nürburgring is one of the tracks I'll be going on. Yeah, I'm very excited, very nervous, but I can't wait. It's going to be great. So yeah, keep an eye out for those videos. And yeah, drop a comment, let me know what you thought of this video. Let me know what you thought of the angles, the cameras, what I missed, what you want to see more of. Because yeah, if you let me know now, then when I go to Germany, I can take that into account and film more or film less. But yeah, cool. Next video, I'm actually getting the car dynoed, so we'll see finally what power it's making, how much power it's making. Because yeah, 350 is not accurate. But yeah, cool. Thanks guys, I will catch you in the next one.